Hey there, I'm Chibs Okereke, and today we're going to use the breath to relax our body and mind. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or if you simply need to tap into some inner peace, this is your opportunity to reset. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, eyes closed or open, whatever feels good. And let's take note of our breath. Following the breath in and out. And now, for the next minute or so, we're going to lengthen our exhale so that we can engage our relaxation response. A good way of doing this is to do a little count inside the mind. So let's breathe in for 3 and then breathe out for 6. Breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Pausing when we feel stressed, even if it's only for a minute, can make the world of difference. It might not get rid of all our problems, but it can certainly make them feel a little more manageable. Noticing how the body's feeling after this very short practice, and notice how the mind is feeling. And cracking the eyes open if they were closed. You're welcome to come back here anytime you need a quick relief from stress. Have a wonderful day.